Hi viewers, how are you? Fine. We will solve Pearson Edexcel International GCSE past paper Mathematics A. It is 1H4MA 1 January 2023. So here we have question number 1. 80 students enter a dancing competition. The table gives information about the length of time in minutes for which each student spent dancing. So they mention the class width in times from 0 to 12, 12 to 24, and from 0 to 12 we have 11. So frequency basically shows the number of students, and same as 24 to 36 we have 23, and 36 to 48 we have 15, 48 to 60 we have 6. They want us to find out or work out an estimate of the mean. So this is group data. So for such cases, we need to find the middle value as well as the multiple of frequency with the middle value of class width. And then at the end, we will apply the formula. So let's have a look. The first, how you will tackle. Here we need to find the middle value of the class width, X. And then the second thing, we are looking what? F frequency multiply by the middle value. Okay, so first thing, 0 plus 12 divide by 2, that gives us 6, and 11 multiplied by 6 gives us 66. Same as the next case, 12 plus 24, that is 36, and the middle value you can check in calculator also. 12 plus 24 plus 24 gives us what? Divide by 2, it is 18, and then 18 multiplied by 25, it gives us 450. Next, the half of the middle of this class width, which is 24 to 36, is 30, and then 30 multiplied by 23, that gives us 690. And next, the middle value of this class width, 36 to 48, is 42, and then 42 multiplied by 15, 42 multiplied by 15, it gives us 630. And lastly, the middle value of class width is 48 to 60 is 54, and 54 multiplied by 6, that gives us 324. After this, for group data, we can use this formula. Mean is equal to summation fx over summation f. Summation means the sum of the value. So sum of the value of all this fx, here summation fx, and sum of the value of all frequency, summation f. That we know from the start of the question also, 80 students. So we have to calculate all these. Okay, so in calculator you can add all 66 plus 450 plus 690 plus 630 plus 324 equal 2160 divide by summation f, that means 80 students. And if you check here, divide by 80, it gives you 27. So this is the mean value, our estimate of the mean length of the time the students spend in dancing. Okay, we move on next question. Next question is solve. This is related to algebra. Solve 3 bracket open 2 minus 4x equal 5 minus 8x. Show clearly or clear algebraic working. So first of all, we will multiply 3 inside, like 3 bracket open 2 minus 4x is equal to 5 minus 8x. So if we multiply 3 inside, associative property of multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Then 3 multiplied by 4, 12x is equal to 5 minus 8x. After this, we will try to bring together the like terms. Okay. We can take 12x from left to right and 5 from right to left. So it would be 6 minus 5 is equal to 12x minus 8x. And it gives us 1, 12 minus 8, 4x, and we are looking the value of x, so x is equal to 1 divided by 4. So this is the last answer of x we solved. Next question. Use ruler and compasses only to construct the perpendicular bisector of line AB. You must show all your construction. So here I will try to guide you. Okay, so how you will find out the answer. So first thing you will find out or measure the distance of AB and take your compass, which is one tool of geometry box. Open your compass more than half of the distance. For example, if the distance from A to B is 8, so half is 4. You open your compass more than half, 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter. Once you open your compass, bring your compass at point A, okay, and draw one arc above the line of AB, okay, here, and one arc below the line of AB, down. By keeping same distance of your compass, bring your compass at point B and draw two more arcs, one above the line and one below the line, okay. You will find out that arcs are intersecting each other. Then take your scale and draw a line which pass through these intersecting arcs. Once you draw, you will find out a perpendicular right angle, a perpendicular bisector or right angle 90-degree at this line A, B. Okay. I hope so you will get it perfectly by using compass. Okay. I draw without using compass, but I give you the idea how you will find out a perpendicular bisector of line AB on the line, and it must show right angle on the line AB, which is 90-degree. Okay, we move on next question. Next question is the diagram show a pentagon, and it is not a irregular shape, but we know sum of interior of pentagon. For any polygon we use this formula, n minus 2 multiplied by 180. This is sum of interior angle. Okay, so we have 5 sides, So 5 minus 2, that gives us 3 multiplied by 180. It is equal 540. Means sum of interior angle of pentagon is 540 degree. Okay. They want us to find out the angle x, and as you can see that this symbol, this shows exactly right angle, so it means it is 90. We will add all and compare with 540 to get the answer of x. So let's have a look, work out the value of x. So x plus 90 plus 135 plus 67 plus 119 is equal to 540. Okay, so we can check in calculator. 90 plus 135 plus 67 plus 119 gives us 411. 540. If you take 411 other side, it would be minus. Okay, so 540 minus 411, that gives us 540 minus 411, it is equal 129 degree. So we find out the angle, which is x equal 129. I hope so you understand. We move on next question. Next question 5 is, in a box there are only green sweets, orange sweet and yellow sweets. There are 280 sweets in the box, so that the number of green sweets ratio the number of orange sweet is 2:3. The number of orange sweet to the number of yellow sweet, we have 1:5. So we must have the ratio from orange, green to orange and orange to yellow. Did you notice orange comes 2 times with green sweet as well as with yellow sweets. Okay, so if I write green ratio orange ratio yellow, so you will come to know green to orange we have 2:3. Okay, and orange to yellow we have 1:5. So we will try to figure it out. Orange must be equal for both yellow as well as green. So for that, I will do one thing. Multiply orange here with 3. So it means you have to multiply with yellow also 3. So we have the last answer 2:3. Now orange is common with both yellow as well as green. 3 here, 5 3s are 15. After this, we will try to find out sum of the ratio, and then at the end they will ask us if there are 280 sweets in the box, so how many green sweets. Okay, so sum of ratio is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 15, that gives me 20. So they want us number of green sweets. Okay, so number of green sweets is equal to, we know the ratio represent for green sweet is 2 divided by total sum of ratio multiply the total number of sweets, which are, check carefully, it is 280. So try to simplify, we can cancel 1 0 with that, and then 2 and 2, so we have last answer is 28. So we have number of green sweets are 28. Next question is 6, and here Shani bought a car. So The amount Shani paid for the car was $32,000. Okay. So remember, this is the first point which help us. And the next one is Teresa also bought a car. To pay for this car, Teresa paid deposit of $18,000 together with 14 months payment of $1,160 per month. Okay. So it means we will find out Teresa amount, how much she paid, including 14 months. And then they ask us, Teresa paid more for her car than Shani. Okay, we will come to know. And then what is our workout, how much more Teresa paid as percentage. So that we will do at the end. First, we will figure it out what is the value or amount Teresa paid for the car. Okay. For Shani, we know directly, which is $32,000. Okay. So we will work for Teresa. So Teresa paid, if I say first deposit money, she paid 18,000 plus 14 months. For every month, she paid 1160, means 1160. If you check in your calculator, so 18,000 plus 14 into 1160, it gives me 34,240. $34,240. This is the amount Teresa paid, and the amount Shani paid for car is 32,000. So we will find out the difference of these two, and then we will convert into the percentage. They say Teresa paid more, of course, she paid more, and how much more Teresa paid the percentage. So how can you convert into percentage? Find out the difference of these two amounts or payments. 34,240 minus the amount of Shani paid is 32,000, divided by the amount of Shani, because it increased from Shani. Okay, they say percentage of amount. Okay, we will convert into that. So 32,000 multiplied by 100, because we are looking answer in percentage. Okay, so here I will find out 34,240 minus 32,000 gives me 2,240 divided by 32,000 multiplied by 100, and it gives us what? So we can check here, 2,240 divide 32,000 multiply 100, it gives us 7. So 7% our answer. So how much more Teresa paid as a percentage? That is 7% more she paid as Shani paid the amount. Okay. This, the second part of this question is Kelly bought a van 1 year. The value of the van was $39,865. So it decreased. How much? During this year, the value of the van decreased by 15%. So first of all, we will find out what is the percentage decrease. So percentage decrease or decreases equal 100% minus 15%, that gives us 85%. So work out the value of the van when Kelly bought it. So it means when she bought, it must be more than this. Yes. 85% is the decreased amount after 1 year. So we can say that 85% of the amount when she bought, we don't know, let's suppose X, and the decreased amount is 39,865. So 85% means 85 over 100 multiplied by X is equal to 39,865. And next step, you can take 85 over 100 other side. So it would be 39,865 divide by 1. And if you take 85 over 100 other side, it will change into reciprocal, means 100 over 85. So check in your calculator, it gives you what? So we have 39,865 multiplied by 100 comes what? Divide by 85. We will get answer 46,900. That is the actual price 1 year before when she bought. I hope so you get it the point. Next, question number 7. Some members of library were asked to name the type of book that they each liked to read the best. So one of the member is chosen at random. Random means equally likely chance for everyone. Okay. So the table shows information about the probability of the type of book that this member answered. Type of book for comedy, romance, mystery, thriller, and the probability for all these books, how they read, how much they read, they mention. But they mention for mystery and thriller 3x and x. We know that the range of probability is 1. Okay. First of all, we will try to find out the value of x, which help us. So I will use algebraic concept also, but we know range of probability is 1, 0 to 1. So 0.24 plus 0.40 plus 3x plus x is equal to 1. So if we add these two, it would be 0.64 plus 4x. We can add the like terms and take 0.6 for other side. So 4x is equal to 1 minus 0.64, and 4x is equal to 1 minus 0.64, 0.36, and divide for other side. So 0.36 divided by 4, we will get, you can check in calculator also. So we have 0.36 divide by 4, it would be 0.09, 0.09. So this is x. And what is 3x? So 3 multiplied by 0.09, that gives us multiply by 3. It is 0.27, 0.27. It means for mystery, the probability is 0.27, and for thriller, we have the probability 0.09. But remember that they mention or give the information of comedy books. So if you try to think, 48 members answered comedy books. So the probability of comedy books is 0.24. And with the help of this, we can find out the total number of books or total number of members. Okay. So if you take the help of this, probability of comedy is 0.24. And we know there are 48 members, but we don't know the total. So we can find out this way: total equal what? Total number of members or book. Okay. Total equal 48 divided by 0.24. We can check 48 divided by 0.24. That gives me 200. So it means total number of books that members read are 200. So that will help you to give the last answer. Work out how many of the members answered mystery book. So now this probability will help you. So probability of mystery books, member books, is 0.27, and number of mystery books member we don't know. Yes, how many members answer mystery books? So number of members we don't know, but we know total number of books are 200. Our members are 200. Just multiply, you will find out. So your last answer is 0.27 multiplied by 200. You will find out the members answered mystery books are 200 multiplied by 0.27. That gives me 54. So 54 members answered mystery books. I hope so you get it. Next. Diagram shows a triangle ABC inside a semicircle, and you can see that there is a right angle inside the semicircle, and one side is given. If they mention angle at A, and then AC we can consider as adjacent, and the side which is opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse or the longest side. Okay, once you find out AB, that will help us to find out radius, or that is the diameter, and it would be easy to find the perimeter. They say work out the perimeter of semicircle. So for perimeter of semicircle we need pi r plus d r 2r. Okay, so first of all we will find out AB length is what. I will use the simple trigonometry concept. Okay, if the angle is at 50, so this is adjacent, the side which is opposite to the right angle, this is hypotenuse, which is AB. So we can apply cos 50 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, means 18 over AB. So think about the cross multiply. It could be AB cos 50 is equal to 18. The next step, we can say that 18 over cos 50. And if you check in the calculator, it is 18 divided by cos 50. We have 28. Okay, so remember this is 28 centimeter is AB length, that is diameter. In other words, it is diameter. Okay, diameter. And if you want to find radius, so radius is the half of diameter. So 28 divided by 2, that gives us 14. Now what is the perimeter of semicircle? So we can say that perimeter is equal to the curved length, which is the half of the circumference, is pi r plus d r 2r. Okay, means this is r, this is r. Either you use d or 2r. Okay, so pi r is 14, and 2 into 14, we can say that it is pi into 14 plus 28. Check in your calculator. So shift press 10, you will get pi, bracket open 14 and plus 28 is equal to 71.98. But they want to write answer two significant figure. See here. So we will write 72 centimeter. I hope so you understand. This is the first part of the paper. Edexcel paper, Pearson Edexcel paper, 23 February 1H, 4MA 1H. See you with next video of next part of this paper. Okay, I hope so you understand, and see you next video. Bye.